Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today our topic is Playfair cipher. Playfair cipher. In the classical encryption techniques, there are two types of classical encryption techniques. First one is substitution, second one is transposition. In the substitution, this is one method, Playfair cipher. For example, we have to taking as plain text balloon, and we have to take key also, key as network. So plain text is balloon, next key as network. We have to generate cipher text. So here we have to draw 5 by 5 matrix. This is 5 by 5 matrix. Here 25 letters. First place the key without repetition. Network without repetition. For example, it have any double letters, just ignore one letter, just write only one letter. Network, it has no repetition. So next, enter the remaining letters. A is not there, A, B also not there, next C also not there, D, E is there, so F, G, H. Here one thing, this is the only 25 boxes, so we have 26 alphabets, so we have to merge two alphabets in a one cell. So this is I and J, just merge it at this place, I and J. Remaining one box will consist only one alphabet. Okay, next J, K is present, next L, M, N present, O present, next P, Q, R present, S, U, V, X, Y, Z. Okay, for this Playfair cipher we have to follow some rules to generate the cipher text. Those rules are: first one, divide the given plain text into pair of letters or characters. Okay, pair of letters or characters. Next one, differentiate repeated characters. Differentiate repeated characters in the pair with the duplicate characters. Duplicate characters. If there is any repeating characters, then please replace with duplicate characters. Next, if the pair of plain text characters are same, then are in the same row, then replace it with rightmost character. If the plain text characters are in the same row, then replace it with the rightmost character. If the two characters are in the same row, then replace it with the right side character. Okay, next one. If the plain text are in same column, replace it with downside letter. Replace it with downside character. సేమ్ రో అయితే రైట్ సైడ్, సపోజ్ జీ ఉంది అనుకోండి, దాని రైట్ సైడ్. నెక్స్ట్ జిఎఫ్ రెండు వచ్చాయి ఒకటే రోలో, అప్పుడు ఎఫ్కి రైట్ సైడ్ ఉంది జీ, కాబట్టి ఎఫ్ ప్లేస్లో జీ రాసుకుంటాం. నెక్స్ట్ జీ వచ్చింది, జీ కాబట్టి రైట్ సైడ్ ఉన్నది ఏంటిది హెచ్, కాబట్టి జీ ప్లేస్లో హెచ్ రాసుకుంటాం. సో ఇఫ్ ఎఫ్ ఈజ్ ప్రజెంట్, వీ హ్యావ్ రిప్లేస్ ఎఫ్ విత్ జీ in same row. For example, F and G, both letters are present in the same row, this row. So F is replaced with the rightmost letter G, G is replaced with the rightmost letter H. If the plain text are in the same column, replace it with the downside character. For example, A and G. A and G are in same column, then replace it with the downside character A and G. So in the place of A is replaced with downside character is G. Next G is replaced with downside character P. Like that. If the plain text characters are in different rows and columns, then replace it with their diagonal positions. Okay, then replace it with their diagonal positions. For example, U and G, these are in different columns, different rows, U and G. Then replace it with their diagonal elements. So diagonal elements means first column U and G. U in the corresponding row, D is the diagonal element. Okay, so U is replaced with D. Next to G and U are intersecting at this point. So this is the diagonal X. G is replaced with X. We have to choose the column element for the plain text character. U and G are the plain text characters. For example, these D and X, two are the diagonal elements. So for the U, you have to choose his column element. That means you have to replace U with D, not X. We have to choose only column. U is replaced with D, G is replaced with X. This is the last rule. So let's take an example. Plain text is balloon. So first make it pairs. We have arranged in the pairs. So this is the repeated letters. So second condition, differentiate repeated characters in the pair with duplicate characters. So duplicate character. This L is replaced with, not replaced, just added a duplicate character X. Next L O N. Okay. There is no repeating elements in the pairs. Okay. This is the first step, this is the second step. So next, third step, BA. Where is B? B. Second one is A. So third condition, if the pair of plain text characters are in same row, then replace it with rightmost character. So B and A are in same row, so replace the letters with the rightmost letter. B is replaced with right side letter C. Next, A is replaced with right side letter B. Okay, BA is replaced with CB. Next to LX. Where is the L? L and X. LX. So different column, different row. So we have to choose the diagonal elements. So L and X. So these the diagonal elements are U and P. So it has one doubt, because the question arises is for the L, P and U both are the diagonal elements. So L is replaced with which letter? So we have to choose only columns L and X. In the L, in the column diagonal element is U. So L is replaced with U. L is replaced with U, not with P, because P is the P and L are in same row. So that will not considered as ciphertext. So only chooses in the column letter only. So LX. So UP. L is replaced with U. X is replaced with P. Next, LO. LO. These are also same. Different row, different column. So N and S. N and S are the diagonal elements. So L is replaced with its column diagonal element N, not with S. Okay. L is replaced with N. O is replaced with its column element S. Next, ON. O. Where is the N? N. So these are replaced. These are in the same row. So these are replaced with the rightmost letter. This condition, rightmost letter. So ON. O is replaced with its rightmost, means it's a circle. It will repeats N. Next, N is replaced with its right side element E. So this is the plain text. This is the key. Ciphertext is CB, UP, NS, NE. Okay. CB, UP, NS, NE. This is the generated ciphertext using Playfair cipher. This is a very simple technique. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. మీకు నా వీడియోస్ కనుక నచ్చినట్టయితే నా ఛానల్ని లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి మరియు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అక్కడున్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్.